A very good evening to all of you. We are back again with the Assertion and Reason series for Class 12 Chemistry, and today we are going to discuss Chapter 14 Biomolecules. I am Manisha Sharma from Today School, and you can check the video link on this. Let us begin with the first assertion statement. The hydrolysis of sucrose to glucose and fructose is called inversion of sugar. C12H22O11 is sucrose. When it undergoes hydrolysis, you get two molecules of C6H12O6, and one of it is glucose and another is fructose. So yes, the hydrolysis of sucrose is called inversion of sugar because you can invert this reaction. If you combine this reaction, you will again get back the reaction. Reason is that dextrorotatory sucrose forms a levorotatory mixture on hydrolysis, which is absolutely true. So we go with the option A. Assertion is also true, reason is also true, and reason is explaining the assertion well. Second statement that we have is glycine is not optically active, which is absolutely true. Glycine is one of those amino acids and they are not optically active. Reason is there is no asymmetrical carbon in glycine to make it chiral, which is also true. So glycine is a simple compound, simple amino acid. So assertion and reason both are true, and reason is explaining. Because it doesn't have any asymmetrical carbon, that is why it is not optically active. Third statement that we have is vitamin C has to be continuously supplied through diet. This is also true because you must have, heard people saying that आपको बार बार vitamin B और C लेना पड़ता है. You are not supposed to take vitamin A, regularly. But आप लोग देखते होंगे अभी corona times भी चल रहा है. So, many of us are taking antioxidants and all of those things. So, B complex के capsules दिए जाते हैं, vitamin C के capsules दिए जाते हैं, vitamin C बोला जाता है externally आप लेते रहिए. गर्मी बहुत है तो आप नींबू पानी, orange juice ये सब आप पीते रहिए. So vitamin C has to be continuously supplied. That is true. And reason says vitamin C is a water soluble vitamin, which is also true. Water soluble vitamin होने से क्या होता है that vitamin C is going out of your body through your sweat or urine. So if you are not supplementing your body with vitamin C externally, तो आपकी body को vitamin C deficiency हो जाएगी. Similarly with vitamin B also. Vitamin B and C both are water soluble vitamin, तो इसलिए आपकी body को उनकी regular requirement होती है. So assertion and reason both are true, and reason is explaining the assertion well. Fourth statement that we have is amino acids in a protein remain intact even when it is denatured. That is absolutely true. और जब हम denaturation of proteins की बात करते हैं तो हम usually curdling of milk यानी दही बनाने की process को या फिर boiling of egg की बात करते हैं. तो boiled egg में भी protein होता है, तभी आप उसको खाते हैं. But ये है कि अब उसके जो tendencies हैं, the protein that is available in the egg has lost its biological significance. So that is the difference. And reason says the primary structure of protein is broken to give individual amino acids on denaturation. So basically primary structure जो है वो break नहीं होता है, and that is why reason is false and assertion is true. Fifth statement that we have is despite having aldehyde group, aldehyde does not show Schiff's reagent. Basically glucose doesn't show Schiff's test जबकि उसमें aldehyde group होता है. That's because it's true. नहीं दिखाता है वो, और इसीलिए हमने cyclic structure of glucose propose किया. And reason says the aldehyde group in glucose is used to form the ring structure of glucose. So that is true because वो ringed form में है. The aldehyde group is not open, is not available. That is why even though it has an aldehyde group, it doesn't give you Schiff's test. Sixth statement that we have is non-essential amino acids are not necessary for protein synthesis. Now, this statement is not correct because essential ho ya non-essential ho, they are required for your body. It's just that one is prepared by the body, one is synthesized in the body, and another is not. Reason is non-essential amino acids are produced in the human body. That is true. क्योंकि वो आपकी बॉडी प्रिपेयर करती है तो हम उनको बोल देते हैं नॉन एसेंशियल, क्योंकि बॉडी अपने आप कर रही है. अब आपकी बॉडी अपने आप ऑक्सीजन और कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड ले रही है तो आप उसको सप्लीमेंट नहीं करोगे ना. अपने आप हेमोग्लोबिन बना रही है तो आप ये नहीं कहोगे कि मुझे हेमोग्लोबिन का कैप्सूल दे दो. वो आपकी बॉडी बना रही है. आप प्रोबेबली कैप्सूल्स खाएंगे तो किसके खाएंगे? फॉलिक एसिड के खा लेंगे, आयरन टैबलेट्स ले लेंगे, विटामिन बी विटामिन सी ले लेंगे, बिकॉज आपकी बॉडी वो सिंथेसाइज नहीं कर पा रही. तो जो चीज आपकी बॉडी नहीं बना सकती वही चीज आप एक्सटर्नली लेंगे. आप एक्सटर्नली वो चीज नहीं लेंगे जो आपकी बॉडी प्रिपेयर कर पा रही है. सो दैट इज व्हाई हियर असर्शन इज फॉल्स बट रीजन इज ट्रू. Seventh statement that we have is naturally occurring amino acids have L configuration, which is lever configuration. This is absolutely true because they are, naturally occurring, तो उनकी configuration उस तरीके की होती है. And structure of naturally occurring amino acids have similarity with L-glyceraldehyde. This is also true. So assertion is also true, reason is also true. But if you actually see, reason में comparison हम दे रहे हैं glyceraldehyde के साथ. एंड असर्शन में वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट अमीनो एसिड, सो कहीं ना कहीं एक रिलेशन नहीं बन पा रहा है, कोरिलेट नहीं कर पा रहा है. सो असर्शन और रीजन अपने आप में ट्रू है, बट रीजन इज नॉट द करेक्ट एक्सप्लेनेशन ऑफ असर्शन. Eighth statement is increased level of glucagon will improve the glucose content in blood. This is absolutely true because ग्लूकोज कंटेंट आपकी बॉडी में जब बढ़ता है तो ग्लूकोगन की जो अमाउंट होता है दैट आल्सो इंक्रीजेस. Now that is why diabetic patients have to take care of their glucagon and insulin level. Reason says glucagon and insulin regulates the sugar levels in blood. This is true. So assertion is also true, reason is also true, but reason is not explaining the assertion well because इट इज टेलिंग यू कि शुगर लेवल्स को वो कंट्रोल करता है, बट उससे आपका ग्लूकोज कंटेंट ब्लड में कैसे जा रहा है दैट इज नॉट समवेयर एक्सप्लेनिंग. Ninth statement that we have is less intake of iodine in diet leads to enlargement of thyroid gland. That is, absolutely true because शायद आपने class 7, 8 में भी पढ़ा होगा deficiency of iodine causes goiter. So thyroid gland में यहाँ पर आपको problem होने लग जाती है. So assertion आपका यहाँ true है. And reason says iodine deficiency leads to hyperthyroidism. ये गलत है. It's hypothyroidism. Hyper नहीं होता है. तो इसीलिए assertion is true but reason is false. 10th statement that we have is the bond between adenine and thymine is stronger than the bond between cytosine and guanine. This is not true because adenine, guanine, cytosine, thymine, they all are various type of nitrogenous bases present in DNA. So जब हम pairing की बात करते हैं, complement nitrogen bases की बात करते हैं, तो A and T and C and G they make pairs, right? Now the reason it says cytosine and guanine have a triple hydrogen bond, while adenine and thymine have a double hydrogen bond. So reason here is true, बट उससे बॉन्ड स्ट्रॉन्ग वहां पर नहीं हो जाता क्योंकि ट्रिपल बॉन्ड एडेनिन और साइटोसिन और ग्वानिन में आपका ट्रिपल हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड है. सो वहां पर वो वीकर बॉन्ड कंसिडर किया जाएगा एंड दैट इज व्हाई assertion is false but reason is true. That's all for this chapter. Keep watching the channel. Do like, follow and subscribe. And that's all from my side. Thank you so much. Have a good evening.